Where is rotate shape option? Yeah, I have done it, but it is not rotating. No, the question is 1 into 3. Yeah, that can be done, but every time, yeah, that's okay. Let me try then. Okay, this can be manageable. So yes, so even this is, so you can place that tile either horizontally or vertically. So let us give some color to it. Okay. So now, how many possibilities are there to tile the wall? Okay. So let us see. So let us see how many possibilities are there. So the first possibility is first possibility is just placing the let me color it there. Let me just color it. So you can place this 1 cross 3 tile everywhere. So I have placed 1 by 3 tile in the second row. I have placed the 1 by 3 tile in the third row. I have placed 1 by 3 tile in the fourth row. And finally, I can tile in the fifth row. So this is one possibility, right? So using this 1 cross M tile, I have one possibility to keep everything horizontally. Place the tile horizontally. Now, this is first option. Now coming to second option. So coming to the second option, what can be done? You can add 2 horizontal and 3 vertical, right? You can add 2 horizontal and 3 vertical. So I can place 2 horizontal tiles and 3 vertical tiles. Right? This is second possibility. Now, coming to third possibility, what can be done? Same, 3 vertical and 2 horizontal, right? That is another possibility. This is another case, another possibility. And coming to what is the other possibility that we can have? One horizontal, 3 vertical, 1 horizontal. Yes. One horizontal, 3 vertical, and 1 horizontal. Right? So these are the combinations that we have, right? For the 5 cross 3 tile, the wall, we can tile it using 1 cross M, right? Horizontal and vertically. So these are the possibilities. This is the first possibility, placing uh, the tile horizontally. And the second possibility is placing 2 tiles horizontally and placing 3 tiles vertically. And third possibility is placing 3 tiles vertically and 2 tiles horizontally. And the last possibility is placing 1 tile horizontal, 3 tiles vertical, and 1 tile horizontal. Right? So this is the question description. This is the question description. Everyone understood. So he has given a n cross m wall, and he's asking how many possibilities are there to tile the wall using 1 cross m, both horizontally and vertically. Right? Understood? So everyone understood the question description and the input and output. What needed to be done? Yes. Okay, perfect. Yes. Now, let us dive into the logic, like how this can be implemented, how to find it out for these kind of problems. So once again explain. Okay, see, look here. There is a 5 cross 3, that is n cross m wall here. N is nothing but number of rows. M is nothing but number of columns. You know, right? Rows and columns. So he has given us wall like this. Now we need to tile it using 1 cross m tile. That is 1 cross m value here is 3. Right? So height 1, width 3. Okay. Now using these tiles, you need to tile the wall either horizontally and vertically or both. Okay. Or both. So how many possibilities are there to fill this wall with these 1 cross 3 tile horizontally and vertically? So horizontally, you can place these tiles on each row, right? Horizontally. So this is first possibility answer. What is the second possibility? Placing the walls two horizontally and placing vertical tile. I mean, placing the tile vertically, right? Three tiles vertically. So this is the second possibility. What is the other possibility? Placing three tiles vertically and two tiles horizontally. We can fill the wall. So this is the third possibility. What is the fourth possibility? Placing the tile horizontally first, then vertically three times, and then horizontally one. Understood? So this is the question description and the input output explanation. So for these kind of problems, we need to break it down from starting. I mean, for example, binary string problem, right? We have identified a pattern. I mean, not exactly the pattern for this particular problem, but we can find out an answer if we break it down into pieces. So we have checked the condition for n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3. Similarly, what we need to do is we need to find out for each height. Here the height is 5, right? Okay. The height is 5 here. So what we need to do is we need to find out how many tiles are required for a wall of height 1, a wall of height 2, a wall of height 3, wall of height 4, and wall of height 5. So if you find it out, you can find the possibilities of placing the tiles. Understood? I will tell you, I will give you I will explain it in a very good manner. But for now, so this is the logic that we'll be doing. So we'll be finding the height, the number of tiles required for height 1, then height 2, height 3, height 4, and height 5. Okay. So now look here. So now observe carefully. Yeah. Now for let us see for height 1. Okay. This is height equal to 1. Okay. The wall. Basically, I'm considering wall. Height equal to 1. So how many possibilities I have to place the 1 cross m tile here? So you people need to answer. So how many possibilities I have to place 1 cross m tile either vertically or horizontally for height 1 wall? How many possibilities are there? One possibility, right? So you can place the tile only horizontally, right? For height 1. Everyone getting my point? Because you can't place a tile vertically because there is no height. So you can place it only horizontally. Got it? So here you have so number of possibilities we have 1. Okay, for height 1. Now next is height 2. For height 2, how many possibilities you have to place the tile either horizontally or vertically? Is it 2 possibilities or possibilities is nothing but filling everything, not each row. Okay, filling everything. In how many ways? 5 ways. So you shouldn't consider the single tile placement. It is overall. It is overall. You need to consider the overall. Is it two or one? Two ways. How? Up and down. So that is the reason. I mean, horizontal two. So that is one possible answer, not two. So you're placing horizontally. That's it. So you need to either place horizontally, you need to either place vertically, or you need to place either horizontally or vertically. So that combination is the possibilities. Getting my point? So for height equal to 2, height equal to 2. So for height 2, I can have only one possibility. For height 2, I can have only one possibility. That is placing the tiles horizontally. Right? So you're not considering it as 2, but the possibilities are 1 here because you're placing tiles horizontally only. So I'm talking regarding the height 2. Yeah, horizontal using 1 cross 3 and 1 cross 3. So overall is one possible answer. So if you observe here for the previous output explanation, so in this case, you need to have 5 possibilities then. So why we are considering it to be 1? No, this doesn't follow Fibonacci series. Getting my point? So you have only one possibility here, placing the tiles horizontally. Possibilities 1. Next for height 3. Now tell me how many possibilities are there to tile the wall? Two possibilities. So what are they? So all horizontal one case and all vertical one case. Right. So all horizontal. All horizontal one case. And then all vertical one case. So for height 3, you have two possibilities. Two possibilities. Now, coming to height 4. How many possibilities are there for height 4? considering both horizontal tile and vertical tile. Three possibilities. No, all horizontal. Okay, all horizontal. First horizontal and three vertical. First three vertical and one horizontal. Right. Three possibilities. Right. So you can place all horizontal first. So everyone are with me, right? Colored lines. I mean, this will be easy to understand. So first horizontal, first horizontal, then P vertical. This is another possibility. The third possibility is three vertical and one horizontal. One horizontal, three vertical. Don't worry, we'll be completing the logic and the code today itself. Height equal to 4. Possibilities are 3. Next, coming to the last one, height 5. So you all know. So we have done it, right? For height 5, you have 4 possibilities, right? For height 5, you have 4 possibilities that we have discussed directly. Possibilities 4. Okay, so just a minute. My power is low. Just a minute, let me connect my charger. Okay. Four. Now, if you observe, for height 1, you have only one possibility. For height 2, you have one possibility. Coming to height 3, Okay, height 3, which is nothing but, which is equal to m. M is 3, right? The number of columns is 3, right? So when that particular height is 3, then you will be having two possibilities for any number of columns. For example, if you have 1 cross 4, okay, 1 cross 4. So if the height is 4, you'll be having two possibilities only, horizontally and vertically. So if you have height is 1 cross 5 tile, then for that height equal to 5 also, you'll be having two possibilities. Getting my point? Which the value will be constant for when the height value is equal to m value. Understood? Yes. So before that, and up to height m, the possibilities will be one only. So look here, for example, you have 1 cross 4 tile, okay, height 1 and 4 width, okay. So for height 1, you'll be having one possibility. Height 2, you'll be having one possibility only. For height 3, you'll be having one possibility only. For height 4, which is equal to m, right, which is equal to m, you will be having two possibilities. Understood this point, everyone? So you can check it. You can check it for the input, right? This is the standard until m. So now, what if after height m the possibilities will be equal to the height? No. Now that is the case. So less than height, you know the values. I mean, now for the equal height, not height, I mean, if width is equal to the height, then you know the value. What if my height is greater than the m value? Yes, exactly. N minus 1 and another case will be there. If it is height is greater than m value, so what is the condition in this case? So in that case, once again, you explain. See, if people understood, right, we have three cases. The first case is less than the m value. Okay, less than m value. That is 1 and 2, or height 1 and 2. Next, equal to m value. That is second case. What is the third case? Greater than m value. Okay, rows greater than m value. That is the condition would be, I will tell you the condition. For example, if I consider an array of, I will consider I minus 1. I is nothing but the height. Okay, I is nothing but the height. That is, if, for example, I have 1 cross 3 tile, okay, I have 1 cross 3 tile like this, and I need to find out the possibilities for 4 cross 4. Okay, 4 cross 4. So what I can do, I can add the possibilities of 3 by 3 plus possibilities of 1 by 3. Getting my point? So if we combine both the possibilities, you'll get the answer for 4 by 4. Got it? So what I'm doing is I have answer for 3 by 3. So for this 3 by 3 tile, I will find out the possibilities. Plus, we have one remaining, right? We have one remaining. So I will find out the possibilities of height 1. So if I perform some operation, I will get the answer for 4 by 4. Understood, everyone? Yes? Yeah, you will be not having 8 by 3. This particular case is for 1 by 3 only, because in the question he has given 1 as standard, 1 by 3. Yes? So for example, if you have 5 by 5, okay? For 5 by 5, what is the answer? That is possibilities of 4 by 4 plus possibility of 1. That is 3 plus 1, 4. So your answer is 4 possibilities. Understood? No, but the 1 cross 3 answer. I mean, in the question, if you observe, he's asking you have only 1 cross m tile. So height 1 is standard. Okay, height 1 is standard. The m will vary. Okay, the width will vary. The width will vary. So that is what I'm saying. The width will vary for that particular different sizes of tiles. Then in that case, the logic would be different. I mean, that wouldn't be this simple, and that doesn't come under your, your easy or medium answer. So I could say this question to be medium to high actually. So they didn't give n cross 1. Why did consider vertical tile? Sorry? No, they have given 1 cross m tile only, and he told that you can place the tile either vertically or horizontally. Yes, please read the question once again. So to tile a wall, you can place the tile vertically or horizontally. Yeah. So everyone understood the logic? Yeah, constraints for n would be if n equal to 0 or m equal to 0. I mean, if there is no height or no width for a wall, then in that case, the answer is 0. For 5 rows and 6 columns, uh, the answer is n. So if you put it, I mean, so you people understood this particular condition, right? If height is less than m value, until that, the height value is 1. I mean, the possibilities are 1. If height equal to m value, the possibility is 2. If height is greater than, I forgot to do this. It is I minus m. If height is greater than m value, then this is the condition. This will be my total number of possibilities. Array of I minus 1, that is previous n cross m matrix plus that particular height minus width value gives you that particular single tile, that one. So, okay. So if you observe the, let me write down the code. I have code. So for that case, you can, by looking at the code, you can easily understand what I have explained and how each line we are considering. Okay. So the function of n comma m. Okay, we are passing n comma m to the function. Okay, so the first, I mean, the height is 0 or width is 0, then you can't, place a tile, right? So in that case, you need to return 0. Okay, in that case, you need to return 0. The next case is, so let me take an array. Okay, let me take an array to store the possibilities of each height. Okay, to store the possibilities of each height, which I have found it here. I mean, in this we have found out, right? For height 1 possibility is 1, height 2 possibility is 1, height 3 possibility is 2. So for storing the possibilities value for each height, I am considering an array. Okay, now for I in range of n plus 1, because so it will start from 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 5 possibilities. Yes, you can go up to n plus 1. So I will append 0. Initially, I'm storing zeros in the array of length m actually. Sorry, of length n. Okay, the number of rows. The number of rows, that is each height, right? We have, if it is 5 cross 3, we have height 5. So we need to go until 5. So c dot append 0. I'm just appending zeros. Now, the first condition is if the height is 0, then the possibilities are 0, right? If the height is 0, the possibility is 0. So that is the reason I'm appending, I mean, there is no need to do it. So I'm appending c of 0 equal to 0. Actually, I think it is not required. I mean, I'm to just understanding purpose, he has given like that. Now, now I need to traverse through the height for I in range of n plus 1. N plus 1, that is height starts from 1. 0 condition is satisfied, right? The logic once again, yeah, after finishing this code, I will explain the logic, don't worry. So you can understand. So this for loop is nothing but for identifying the possibilities for each height. Okay, starting from 1 to n plus 1. That is for height 1, height 2, height 3, height 4, height 5. Sorry, array dot append 0.